This is our simple instruction video on how to use the new church dishwasher.
Step 1. Turn on back switch. There are 2, but don't do this one. Wait for a bit for the water to fill up. Step 2. Open the door and load the dishes in. Use the handle to open it, so don't use your hands. Whatever you do, don't do this. Next, you load the dishes into those trays. Load that grill into the tray for smaller dishes, like that. Step 3. Once the dishes are all loaded in, close the door and the cycle will run automatically for about 3 to 5 minutes.
There are 3 parts to each cycle. The first part will add the detergent. The second part adds the sanitizer. And the final part will add the drying agent. The light will then turn off when the cycle is complete.
Step 4. When the cycle is done, open the door, take the dishes out, and dry them. Finally, when you are done, close the door and turn off the switch in the back to turn the machine off.
If you turn on the machine and it doesn't seem to be filling up with water, all you have to do is fiddle with this little knob. Pushing it once in either direction should start the water filling process. See? Easy. Each part of the cycle is connected to a certain colored tube, and each tube will be connected to a bucket of the same color. Red is the detergent, white is the sanitizing agent, and blue is the drying agent.
Ready?
Okay, yeah, go for it. And what's it for?
This is just a drain screen. If it gets too dirty, go ahead and rinse it. Clean it, and then reinsert it.
That's how you drain. So I did that, and now what happens is automatically when I restart it again, there's not going to be enough water.
Right.
So I might have to fill the button, but I probably won't have to because the minute I pull the door down, it's going to start filling by itself.